How to cancel a HelloFresh delivery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel a HelloFresh delivery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon and then select My Delivery. And here, once you're done with that, you simply have to find the delivery date that you want to cancel and then tap on it. And there on the new page, you just have to tap on cancel delivery or skip this week depending on your app version, and a pop-up will ask you to confirm. So there just tap yes, cancel, and after that you see a confirmation that your delivery has been cancelled. And that's it. That's how you can cancel a HelloFresh delivery right from your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.